I drove all the way from Moshikuku through down to Ondangwa, across the road, looking at the Shebeens and the bars. None of them were opened. And I am happy, first and foremost, that they have to give their employees relief so that they go and spend Christmas with their families. And I would encourage the retailer shops also to do the same. I know they have a provision because they sell consumables to open. But one would encourage that they trade for minimized hours so that they give the people the opportunity to spend time with their loved ones and their families. And I have also confirmed with the regional commander of Oshana that they had encountered no problems, especially with the traders of liquor. Everybody was adhering to the regulations, and they also did their going around and checking. And everywhere they went, the bars were closed.
The informal sector is one of the biggest employers in the country. Perhaps you've also made a call through the ministry to ensure that these businesses are formalized.
We came to realize that there are no mechanism to support the informal traders. Of course, you must understand they are not at the level of the SMEs. They are at their own scale. And then we realized there is no any support mechanism, so we are working on the informal traders entrepreneurship development policy that would now talk to assisting them at the level where they are. First and foremost, they need to be registered. There should be a record of them somewhere, not necessarily to subject them to the requirements of registration at BIPA, but to register them at the local authority or at the regional council or wherever they resort under. And then from there on, we need to train them. We started this year. We have rolled out that training, and 1,400 participants have taken part in this training because we have taken 100 trainees from each region. Next year, early next year, as from January, February, we will now do a consultation, and we expect the traders at that level to come on board so that they give us their inputs. We are working together with UNDP because UNDP is also funding us to develop some guidelines for the informal traders, so that when they set up their stalls where they are selling from, there should be some health observation and the requirement of health regulations, and then also if there is a funding mechanism that would assist a trader who would need just 5,000 and not necessarily need to go to the bank. And also then skills development, of course, that I have referred to earlier on, and also to give them an opportunity to grow. When we have a trade fair and expos and exhibitions, especially that of a higher level magnitude, we should be able to bring one or two of them. As we did last year in a Nana Expo, in Kietman's Expo, the ministry was able to fund for about 11 SMEs, including the informal traders, so that we would be able to upscale their capacity and make sure that they come in the mainstream of the economy. Because no one should die as an informal trader, and nobody should remain an informal trader. They all need to grow. Every other bigger entrepreneur that you saw today have started off as a small-scale trader.